Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about HTML images, which is the next video in our HTML video series. So let's get right into it. So what we are going to do today is add images like this into your HTML file, to your website, and add some background images like this. So first what we got to do is we got to open our IDE. And you can add in your basic structure and you can save it. So I'm going to name it HTML images 2.html. So first we gotta make a folder. Alright, so I'm gonna make my folder in the desktop, and you can make it wherever you want, is fine. So right here you can see my file here and the other one right there. So you're gonna make sure it's just .html, not HTML text. As you can see, it's blank. This is what we are going to make it look like. And in this folder, you can see I saved it into the folder in the desktop. So I got a couple of images here. This is what I'm going to use for the background image. Another one right here, and you make a folder and put another couple of images you want to use into the folder as well. I'll teach you why later. So what we're going to learn first is we are going to learn how to put a background image on your website. So first what we are going to do is we are going to open a style tag. Let's go down, body, and a bracket, and we can go background dash image colon URL bracket again. Inside inverted commas you're going to put your image name. So we are going to open our folder. Inside our folder, this is our file right here. This is the image I'm going to use. So make sure it's in the same folder. And we are going to right click, go to properties, and we are going to select this name right here. And I'm going to bring that, paste it here, put the bracket, put the comma again, close the inversion and the bracket, then put a semicolon to end the line. Close the body bracket, and you can close the style tag. So don't forget to save it. You can go and check. As you can see, it's right there. Oops, wait, hold on. Yep, so it just took a second to load up. So there it goes. You can leave no spaces as well, it's fine. No spaces is better, I guess. So next we are going to add an image to our website. So what we are going to do is open the tag, img for image, src for source, and equals inverted commas, and between that we are going to put our image name. So I'm going to right click it here, take it. If you want, you can right click and go to properties, image properties, and copy it from here. So we are going to paste the name between the commas, and we are going to put an alternative for this. We are going to put alt, and we are going to put just some name to describe the image. So just in case the image doesn't show up, this will show up on its behalf to give some context to what was supposed to be there. Some spellings there. Let's save it and come here and refresh it and check, and you can see here the image is right there, but it's too big, so we have to adjust the size in this. It usually goes in pixels. By default it's in pixels, so we can just go in here and type width equals in inversion 300, length equals 300. Because it's a square image, I want it to be square, so when you're adjusting the size, be sure to check on the ratios. And let's go and save this and refresh the page and see. And as you can see, it's fixed right there. You can make this 700, and it won't look nice all the time, so it's like this now. We'll stretch the image up. You can play around with the sizes there. As you can see, so I want it squared out, so I'm gonna just put 300 by 300 pixels. You don't have to put px or anything, it's default gonna be adjusted. So refresh, it's like this. So we'll add another image. img src equals we're going to take this inversion, close the inversion and save. We come here and refresh this. So you can see the image is there, and you can adjust the size as you like. So let's say you want to keep things organized. You want your coding in one folder and your images in one folder. So you can just go ahead and put this image back in the folder. And if you go in here, there's a couple of images there. So what do you do when you want to get an image inside the folder onto the website? So we are going to go img src equals, and let's take the image name from here. This time I'm going to go from properties, just to show you all. You can paste it there and put the bracket, and you can set the size as well right away. we can come here and refresh it and check, and the image isn't there. So since the image is inside another folder, it won't come up. So what you have to do is, this is inside, so it's in the images folder. So you first come here and put the name of the folder, images slash, and then you can put your file image name. /, and then you can come here and refresh it and check again. So yeah, just gonna make this a little bit smaller. And as you can see, both the images are here and in the size we have set. So next up, we are going to see how we can take an image from the internet and put it into your website without actually saving it on your local device. So what we can do is, we can go tag a href equals, and you have to put a description to the image you're going to put. So I'm going to just put cat pic. I'm going to put a picture of the cat, why not? And close the tag, go down, and you go again img src equals inversions. Between the inversions, we are going to go ahead and put the link of the image. So what we are going to do is, go to our Chrome, Edge, whatever the browser you want, search for the picture you want, and you can select it. I'm just going to take the first picture that's there, and right click it and copy image link. So it's going to be quite a big link because it's coming off from there, and you paste it between the commas and close the tag. We can come to our website, refresh it, and see the image is right there. Then you can go and fix the size to your liking. Width and height. Okay, there you go. And I'll just do one more just to see. Let's put a car, okay? And I'm just gonna take this picture, copy image link. We're gonna do the same thing as before. Tag a href equals the description of the image you want. Close the tag, go down again, put a tag img src mg src equals, paste the link, close the inversions, and yeah, you can close the a tag. Save, and when you come to your web page and refresh it, it's gonna be there, just like that. It's easy as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hit us up if you all have any issues about this video. Please be on the comment section and help us out. We can bring better videos for you as well. And if you learn something, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends.